In this video, I'll be showing you how you can request a ride on boat. And please note, the location and destination I use in this video are not mine or anyone's own, but just for tutorial's sake. And also, I'll be blurring every personal information on this video. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Let me assume you have the boat app on your phone, but you don't know how to request or order for a ride. It's very simple, and I will show you. And also, in case you don't know how to create an account, I'll be adding my previous video link on the video description so that you know how to create an account with Bolt. So here's the app Bolt, just tap and open it. Now if the app opens, you get something like this. Here's the app interface. You can see just like this. You can swipe down or just like this. Now let me say for instance you are at number 3 Kumasi Crescent and you want to request a boat going to Jabi Motor Park. How do you do it? You can see here where to. Just come here and tap on it. So if you tap on it, automatically the boat app will fetch your location. But if you want to be specific, to add your specific address, you can come here and tap here and wipe this one. You can see pick up address. That will say that's your location. You can come here and type your specific address, number 3 Kumasi Crescent. So you can type number 3. As you are typing, it will be loading and suggest the address for you, number 3 Kumasi. As you are typing, it will be loading here. You can see it has shown me number 3 Kumasi Crescent. I can choose it. So that means right here is my pickup location. Means if I order the boat driver, the map will bring him to number 3 Kumasi Crescent. You can see. So right here is the drop-off location. That is my destination where I'm going to. So since I'm going to Jabi Motor Park, I'll come here and type Jabi Motor Park. As I'm typing, it will process from here and you will see the options. You will see here Jabi Motor Park. I'll just tap it and select it. You can see, so from here you can see who is riding. Is it you or you want to request for someone? If you want to order for someone, you can come here and tap here and then put the person information. But if it is for yourself, it will show you me, your phone number that is linked to this account. So tap and select, which means you're ordering for yourself. You can see, and on this very boat here, you will see different ride options. You can see here boat. Boat is the regular option that every regular person uses. This is the normal regular options. You can see here comfort. If you select on this comfort, comfort means the car that will come is a luxurious car. But for regular boat, they are just normal cars. But for comfort, the cars will be at least luxurious cars, and the price also differ. You can see for the comfort, the price is higher than the regular boat price. You can see because there are comfortable cars. You can also scroll down. You can see here send motorbike. This one is maybe like for instance you want to send a parcel. You can select here. If you order, you will get a bike that will come and take a parcel and go and deliver for you, and all other options too. But I will use the normal regular boat, which is the boat option. You can see, right? So I can make this a little small here. So after here, you can come here and tap on this select boat. But first of all, you can choose whether you want to pay with card or cash. On default, it is on cash. So it means that if I order, I will pay cash. But let me say, like for instance, you have your ATM card that you want both to charge from your card. You can tap right here. It will bring these options. You can see here add debit card. You can tap right here and add your card information, your card number, expiry date, and the CVV. If you add it, you tap on this add. If you tap on this add, both will charge from your ATM card. But I won't add any card now. I will cancel this one here. I will go back. So, okay, now still on the boat, on the regular boat. So if I select the boat, it's still on cash. I'll tap on this select boat. Okay, now the map will navigate. You can see here confirm order. So the price here is 19. Actually, I'm on promo. You will see there up. If you're on promo, you will see there up. You are on promo. So I'm on promo. So I will pay the boat driver 1,900 is the price. I'll tap on this confirm. It will now search for drivers available. So for this tutorial, I will be blurring every personal information of the driver, at least for privacy reason. I will be blurring every personal information. Okay. So okay, it has searched and found my driver. You can see here's my driver. to show you the person's card details and the whole thing. So from here, you can choose to chat the driver or call the driver. Now, how do you chat the driver? You can also come on this, tap here, and then send the driver a message. You can select here, where are you? And send to the driver. He will respond you. But if he's not responding, you can see this call option here. You can tap right here and then call the driver. You can call through in-app or call through the phone number. You can see the driver is actually driving. Here's the person's car is driving to my pickup location. It's close to my pickup location. You can see, right? So yes, my pickup location where I am. So once he gets here, maybe he will call me. You can see, but don't keep the driver waiting. Look, you can also track the driver from the map here. So you can see here Kumasi. Just the address I use, number 3. So you can see that since he just arrived, you can see here driver has arrived. Then you can cancel the ride. Like just swipe up like this, swipe this way. You can see cancel ride. Tap on here. You can see cancel ride. Tap here. They will give you options. You can choose options to cancel the ride. You can choose on this order and then maybe give reason. Maybe wrong order, wrong request, wrong request. You can see wrong request. Tap on this done, and right now you have cancelled the ride. Means the driver can't connect with you anymore. So this video is just for educational and informational purpose only. So that's how you can actually order a ride. It's very simple. Now thanks for watching and bye.